Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Clarendon and we're on our way we're driving from Old Harbour to Maypen in that direction. So we are now in Clarendon and we're driving through the Sandy Park area. Now this road we're driving on is still the main road, although you have a highway. This is the main road you would take when you're driving from Old Harbour to Maypen. Look at the state of the road. This is a main road in Jamaica. Now, almost every day you hear about persons blocking the road somewhere in Jamaica because of the condition of the roads. And the roads are in a terrible state. The government came out recently and stated that they just don't have the money to fix all the roads right now. But what people are saying is that the government is building these billion-dollar highways, billions upon billions of dollars, and they are neglecting the roads like this. This is a main road. If you want to get from Old Harbour to Maypen, you have to drive on this road unless you're going to use a highway and pay toll. So even today, well, these videos aren't dated by time, but this week there have been major protests. Roads have been blocked all over Jamaica because of the condition of the roads. And if you think these roads are bad, there are some worse roads out there. But for a main road, this is unacceptable. More has to be done to maintain the roads. I'm not saying all the roads should be fixed at once, because that's just not possible right now. But for a main road, some priority should be given to a main road. Alright guys, so this is I'm just gonna show you guys something here. This is where Highway 2000, this is Sandy Park, and this is where it merges with the Bustamante Highway. But this used to be where Highway 2000 ended. First Highway 2000 was from Kingston to Sandy Bay, and that's where we are now. So this road used to be where you would exit the highway and get onto Bustamante Highway, where you'd exit Highway 2000 and then continue to Maypen. But when the Sandy Bay to Maypen leg was built, the road was closed up at the top, and that is why you have this very nice road here that looks literally abandoned. So this is where you would come off the highway to get back on to the main road to continue your journey. But the Sandy Bay to Maypen leg was built, and then you no longer have to get off the highway, you just continue straight. And the same thing is going to be done with the Maypen leg now, because the Maypen to Mandeville leg will soon be open, and you will go from Maypen straight to Mandeville, so you no longer use the roundabouts where the highway currently ends. It will be just one continuous road. Alright, so straight ahead now is the main road. So if you're not taking the highway, this is where you come up by Sandy Bay and then go on to the Bustamante Highway. So it says Mandeville Maypen this way, the direction we're going in. So this is the Bustamante Highway that we're on now.